always step back and look at test your tools in a controlled environment. Like when creating the tools, be very descriptive with, if you are new here, click on try for free and go ahead and sign up. If you already sign up, I'll see you in there. Think of this like a workshop. This is the workshop where you fine tune your tools. In the left hand side, you have the menu here, and then you can see assistant, phone numbers, files, tools, blocks, and squads. We're gonna focus on tools and assistant. So in order to get a good assistant, you're gonna have to create a good prompt. In order to create a good prompt, you're gonna have to create a good plan. In order to create the tools, you need the plan. So everything is connected. You need to have the plan ready. When you work with the tools in Vapi, they have a good error handling. So when something goes wrong, it throws everything off. So you're gonna check the logs, and then based on the logs and then whatever notifications you're gonna get when you're gonna test it out, that will be the key to fix it. Let's try and create something very simple to start with and see how this works. So go ahead in assistants, do all the settings that you desire in here. Let's focus on the prompt and the function. In the prompt, what do we want? What do we want to achieve? We want to build a tool that handle bookings. We want to build a tool that makes sales. For example, here you are on a phone call with the client, and then you want to sell products. For example, in this case here, we sell chairs, tables, and tablecloths and whatever. Now, you're gonna have to create whatever is in your head, how you sell it, you need to put it in here. That will help the AI understand a lot better what is going on, whoever you want the AI to be. And then you give a brief overview of what is going on, and then we're gonna go into specifics. So let's keep it simple for now to test it, create the first prototype and see how we go. So as simple as this is pretty much what you need to give to actually get the first step into it. So you are an AI assistant for Valentino, you help Valentino managing daily tasks, you can check emails based on user request. Whatever you want to check in the email, if you want to check by keyword, or you want to check by email if someone mailed you, or whatever you want to check in that email. So we're gonna ship this one out. Now what we need to do, we need to go to make.com. If you are new to this, what do you need to do? You need to sign up. If you're not new to this, just log in and I'll see you in there. This is pretty much what you're gonna see when you first sign up. So this is a clean account. We have absolutely nothing in here. What do you need to do? You need to go to scenarios. Now you're gonna go on the right hand side top, create a new scenario. You just click on it and this will pop up. And here you go. You just done the first most important step. So you got Vapi account and make.com account. Now in order to send information to make.com, we need to create a webhook, create a custom webhook, create a webhook. Let's name it subscribe. Thank you for subscribing. All right, so you click save. Okay, and now here is your link. You're gonna copy this, and then we're gonna head over to Vapi. Now back to Vapi. What we need to do now is to create a new tool. You just click on create new tool, press on make, add the URL that you just copied from make.com. Just copy it, click on the outside, save, and then at the bottom you click next. Now what we're gonna use this one for, we're gonna use it for email use. Yeah, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna check email by keyword. We're gonna look for keywords. We have something in the email, XYZ. So as the name, property name, you need to add it a keyword, for example, and as description, you add the description. What is the purpose of this? This is going to be the keyword that we use to search in the email. Now click next. Now the name of the tool. The name of the tool is get email info, and as description we need to be descriptive, because this is gonna go straight to the AI, so the AI knows about the tools when it goes into a request. When they initiate the call, this is part of the prompt. So these are the tools that you have available, this blah blah blah. So all this information will be available to the agent. Let's call the assistant. Let's trigger this. Hi, how are you?
Hello, I'm here and ready to assist you. How can I help you today?
Oh, that's very nice of you. Okay, can you please check if I have an email from AIP?
I found an email from AIP. It contains the following information. There is blah blah 52. Is there anything specific you would like to know from this email?
Oh, okay. Hold on. Okay, my bad. Well, what I didn't do, I didn't check the... Okay, so we need to select get email information. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to call.
Bam bam!
You're killing me with mama. I need to change that. Can you please check if there is any email from Elisa?
I couldn't find any emails from Elisa.
Okay, so we got what we needed. So we're gonna use this. So we got the tool call, get email information, keyword Elisa. Yeah. So what we need to do, you open Postman. In order to use Postman to build the tool in a control environment, instead of calling him back and forth, you create it like this. Follow me. Get a webhook, copy it, paste it in there. Make sure it's post. Here. And then what you need to do is go on the bundle, click on the bundle here, output, click, copy the entire thing, go on body, row, and paste it in here. And now what you need to do is run it and send, click send. So here you go, you got the information. So instead of calling it again, you already know that you want to call, you want to look for a keyword, you got a keyword, you got all the properties in there. Let's create a step where we check the email. So you go on email, click on this, create a connection, and follow the steps. Alright, so we go like this, save, you're gonna do the authentication, and then here you're gonna go through the steps that you need for your use case. So for this use case, we're just gonna look for keywords. So what we need to do is go select all the emails, phrase, and then on the tool calls, function, arguments, and the keyword. So you get the keyword to search for. So that's what it's gonna search for. So now we got it, yeah? So we got the step done. Now you had to call to actually make another call to the agent to get another API call. So what you can do, this is the best part, you just click send, and then it's gonna send the information again. There you go, bang. Do I have an email from Elisa? No. So here you get your information. So the output, it can be processed and managed however you want. This was just a use case, and let's add more complexity. Let's say we want a tool that will look for items. All right, let's create a new tool together. Go make.com. You can use the same link. Paste it in here. Save. Next. Property name. Now we're gonna add the properties in the descriptions and the value. What is gonna be the value? The value is gonna be a string, a number, a boolean. Let's say what we're gonna get. Let's say we're gonna get items. So what will be the first item? Okay, let's say we're selling pens. So we have pen order, pen. We have different colors. So what we need to do, we put it an object, and then we add properties to the object. We're gonna add the different colors. Blue. This is the blue. And then click save, and then we add red. Save. Click save. Next. And then here we're gonna name it pens. Okay, that's it. Create, save it, and then we go back to the assistant. What we need to do, we need to update the assistant. So we're gonna add the tool pens, and then we're gonna say down here, you can say you have to get the color we have. Okay, so this is pretty much what you need to do for the basic, the core of it. And then we're gonna run this, run it once. Just what color pens do you have?
I currently have red and blue pens available. Which color would you like to choose?
Can I buy a blue pen, please?
I have placed an order for a blue pen for you. Is there anything else you'd like to do?
Okay, so this is working. We have a blue, we have two, an array. We have pens, blue, they want to buy. Here you go. Now, what can we do with this? We can go back in the tools and then you go on pens and then let's change this to something else. Let's say we have how many pens we need to buy. Yeah, so we got pens, pen, so just like this, and then you can add number, so it's gonna send us number. So we save that, we go back to the assistant. Hey Bam, can you
Hello, how can I assist you today?
I want to buy
Hello?
5 pens, please.
I'm sorry, but it seems there was an issue with processing your request for 5 pens. Let me try that again.
Okay, so we got pen number 5. Yep, so you get the idea. This is very, it becomes very easy because you have full control of it. This work environment here, it's just amazing. It's very easy. You go back to tool, you change something in there, and then you test it. And then as soon as you got the information that you want, what you have to do, you go back to Postman, you capture the output from there, and then you paste it in here, and then you build the steps as you need. Now, moving to debugging the tool, what you need to do to debug the tool is like, we have simple here. We have 200 is okay. If there is something wrong, we'll tell you what is wrong. It's been accepted, but we have no answer. So you see the issue here? We send the request, but we don't get anything back. So what we need to do is this. So you have to create another step, and then we create a webhook response. You need to paste this JSON in there. So this is the response. In the tool call ID, what we need to put is to put a call ID. So you go in here, tool calls ID. This is the call ID, tool call ID. And then as the result, we put the result that we got from here. Whatever the answer is, let's just send that one. Or send something like, okay, so let's test it again. So you don't have to go back and forth. What I said we can do is just come to Postman and then send again. So just run it once, and then here we should get, it got accepted, but it didn't pass. Why it didn't pass? Try again, because we need to pass this information. You get this one okay, but it, in here it was just accepted. So what we need to do to actually make sure it's working, we call the, hey Bam Bam, I want 5 pens.
Is there anything else you need help with?
I want 5 pens.
Done, master.
Okay, so now it's working. He answered to us, and then we got
Great.
Get the response from here, the tool call, and then you copy this. This is the new updated one. You just get it in here, you copy, paste it in there, and then we can test and trial again. So now to see if that works, so if something is broken, for example, this is not connected anymore, and then you just run this here, and then you send the information. It got accepted, but it didn't go through. Does it make sense? So this is how you check your tools. Look out for the response. Always test the tool in here. Add all the properties that you want, and then build your make scenario in here by using Postman, and then call when needed to make sure that the whole system is working. Now, as I promised, let's use AI to actually improve the prompt, because we're not gonna give this to the AI. This is how you build it. This is how you build the prototype. The prototype build is just very simple, to keep everything simple, and then you add more complexity to it. If you go too complex, you get 1,000 words prompt, and then a very shitty tool. You're not gonna be able to make it. So let's improve this prompt, and then can you please? This is how we do it. Let's say if it goes into one shot, just as simple as that. Yep, here you go. So you got your prompt. So now you got a professional prompt as well. And then obviously you're gonna change it according to your business. But this is just a a good system. And it's not gonna say bam bam anymore and say thank you, calling whatever the business is. Let's call it Penmaster. So let's just save it and see the difference.
Thanks for calling Penmasters.
Oh, hey, how are you? Who are you? What's your name?
Hello, I'm Victoria, Valentino's dedicated AI assistant. I'm here to help manage daily tasks efficiently and professionally. How can I assist you today?
Of course, you are a machine. Yeah, I just wanted to buy
That's correct.
5 pens, please.
Great. Your order for 5 pens has been processed. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
Okay, so now you got the idea. You are a pro right now. You can start building your own systems. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. I'm more than happy to help. I want all of us to grow and learn all the AI tips and tricks and to take advantage of the AI era. Thanks for watching. Happy building. Keep learning. I'll see you next time.